Everyone dreams about making more power when it comes to the very famous 2.5 TFSI Daza and DNWA platform, and JDY is helping with that goal. This kit comes with quality components by Precision as well as Tile to ensure that your engine makes reliable power consistently. In this kit, you'll receive the following. You'll get your JDY Turbo Inlet Pipe, JDY Mid Pipe, JDY V-Band Heat Shield Turbo Manifold, V-Band Recirculated Downpipe, Turbo Discharge Pipe, Stainless Steel Manifold Heat Shield, Turbo Oil Fittings, Oil Feed and Return Lines, Coolant Delete with Crossover Pipe to loop to the OEM water lines, Tile MBR 44mm Wastegate, as well as the Precision Gen 2 CEA turbocharger of your choosing. Now when it comes to the hot side of this kit, one of my favorite things about the kit itself is that from manifold back, everything is already wrapped in Inconel heat shielding, which has proven to be one of the best ways of retaining heat energy within the exhaust system and keeping temps down in the engine bay itself. This kit has seen times as low as 9 seconds, and Fernando has just completed the install of this kit on his TTRS. So I'm excited to see what times we can pull at the track and what we can get as far as horsepower out of this kit. So Fernando, I know we have this kit fully installed in the TTRS. I wanted to know what mods you have on the car besides the kit itself.
So right now the car has a build engine. It has a Ostar Spec JE piston with Carrillo rods, SuperTech valve train at the moment. The car has a Iros fuel pump, in-tank fuel pump, and we add the JDY intake with the DID, as well as a Cybex CCU.
Okay, so as far as fuel goes,
it's just 17cc injectors as a primary and Unitronic secondary injectors, which are about 985, I believe.
Okay, so what do you think we should make power-wise when we get the car on the dyno?
We're shooting for 900. The car has a stock clutch at the moment, so we're gonna leave it around 900, try to go 8.9s, and from there we're gonna add a clutch and some other few things.
So I'm super excited to see what this kit is capable of. As Fernando said, he's shooting for high 8s. So once we get the car on the dyno, we'll probably do another YouTube segment on that and see where we're at. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Please remember to like and subscribe as it helps me make more videos. Feel free to reach out to us at ostarmotorsports.com.